Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to screen calls on iPhone. iPhone does not currently have a built-in call screening feature that answers unknown calls and asks callers to identify themselves. However, you can use features such as silence unknown callers and live voicemail to help screen incoming calls. Follow these steps to screen calls on your iPhone using live voicemail. To begin, unlock your iPhone, open the Settings app, then go to Apps section, scroll down and tap Phone, locate the live voicemail option, turn live voicemail on, then return to the home screen. Wait for an incoming call from an unknown or unwanted number. Allow the call to ring without answering. When voicemail begins, watch the live transcription on your screen. Read what the caller is saying in real time. Decide whether the call is important. Tap Accept if you want to answer the call while the voicemail is being recorded. Then, let the call continue to voicemail if you do not wish to answer. Note, live voicemail can help you determine who is calling before deciding whether to answer. You can combine live voicemail with silence and unknown callers for additional control over incoming calls. These features provide a simple way to screen calls and reduce interruptions from unwanted callers on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.